year may birthday ng Gabi, pero di amin alam. First time na namin.
Yes.
Parang attend kami party lang, Doraemon. Yun, Bossing Girls, attend muna kami. Tapos, ang bouncy road nandito. Okay, may ulit. Bossing Girls, andito na tayo. Dito na tayo.
Diyan tayo. May.
Di amin first time dito. Di amin first time. Ilang ganyan, huwag ko kung kain kami muna o hindi. Meron game. Ngayon, punta na si Daddy. Ngayon, Bossing Girls. Tayo. Dito, Bossing Girls, meron mga basketball, soccer.
Very best to start at 4:30. Although I don't know if that's possible, you know, it's a Filipino party. I do not need to explain it right, but we'll try our very best to start before 5 p.m. Alright, thank you so much everyone. Enjoy and let's have fun tonight.
Sumuka ba kayo doon, no? Oo. Hindi, parang lagyan siya ng pangalan, explain kayo doon. Tara po sa line-up na dito, oh.
Parang may meron kang souvenir dito. Baka.
Thank you so much, CJ Cruz, and we have Daniel Delos Reyes.
Dance mo?
Kuya, dito ako.
Great.